We'll guide you through how to compare Framer and Figma effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open both Framer and Figma in your web browser. You can do this by going to their official websites. Once you have both platforms open, start by comparing their user interfaces. In Framer, you'll notice a more interactive and code-friendly environment, whereas Figma offers a streamlined interface focused on design and collaboration. Next, check out the design tools each platform provides. In Figma, you have a comprehensive set of design elements like vector networks and prototyping features that allow for detailed UI design and flow. Meanwhile, Framer shines with its ability to create animations and interactions using its built-in code editor. This is particularly useful if you're looking to add advanced interactions to your designs. Now, let's look at collaboration features. Figma is known for its real-time collaboration capabilities, making it easy to work with teams simultaneously on the same project. Framer also offers collaboration tools but is more focused on individual prototyping and design experimentation. Another important aspect to compare is the integration capabilities. Figma integrates seamlessly with a variety of tools like Slack, Zeppelin, and Jira, which is great if you work within a large team using multiple software. Framer, on the other hand, offers integrations more suited to developers, such as GitHub, which can be crucial for those who want to maintain design consistency with the development process. Finally, consider the learning curve. Figma is generally easier to pick up for beginners due to its intuitive design focus, while Framer may require a bit more technical know-how, especially if you want to leverage its full capabilities with code. By examining these aspects, you'll be in a better position to decide which tool best suits your needs, whether it's for design, prototyping, or collaboration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.